Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today, here on the Daily Options Trade, we're going to be looking at DocuSign. Now, DocuSign has had quite the move over the last month or so. I got put to stock at 260 after rolling it a few times and getting stuck in a spread that I had. Sold the insurance off on the low end and kept rolling the put. So go check out that video, but now DocuSign is back to where it's tradable. So let's go look at DocuSign. First, let's look at the activity history, year to date. Okay, DocuSign, we're looking good now. Okay, we got a realized gain 3,800, year gain 3,000, unrealized 800. So I'm still under where I got put to stock, but made some money along the way. Alright, but now let's see if we can sell a covered call on this and get it out of my account potentially. So this is options expiration week. So I want to sell it at 260. Wow, it's not a lot of premium. It's okay. I'll take it. 150. I'll calculate the ARORC here and put it down below. Oh, probability of profit 76%. 82%. Wow, that's pretty good. Alright, I'll take it. Let's see if that thing filled. It's working. It's one complaint that I have here on Tasty Trade. Don't get a lot of great fills. That's unfortunate. Alright, let's go look at the orders. Alright, let's go back. Positions, now we've sold the covered call at 260, which is where I got the stock at. So if that executes by the end of the week, awesome. It'll be out of my account and I'll be out of danger. You can see the margin. I'm using 86.14 of margin. So it's good. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Be sure to subscribe to see how this options trade works out. And this is option expiration week, so coming up Friday, I have a lot of options expiring. Some are in the money, some are out of the money, some are near the money. So be sure to tune in to see how I handle all these options. All these put options that I have, all these call options I have. Alright, guys? Remember to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to my channel for updates and wealth building techniques. A lot of wealth building happening. Crypto's going back up. A lot of other stuff going on. Be sure to subscribe. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching.